And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into FNB Bank, which is also known as First National Bank. The First National Bank is one of South Africa's biggest 5 banks. It is a division of FirstRand, a large financial service conglomerate which trades on Johannesburg Security Exchange under the symbol FSR. Alright? Now this video is not on explaining it. This video is on logging into it, which I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it. And click on online banking First National Bank over here, the second option, and it's going to take you to this website, which is the official website of First National Bank. Once you're over here at the top right, you can see the login button. Click on it. Once you're over here, you can choose like which sector you want to log in into. After choosing the sector, you can enter your user ID. After entering your user ID where it says passport, enter the password of your account over here. After entering the password of your account, click on login. If the user ID and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into First National Bank's online banking account. And if you want to sign up into it, you can click on sign up to sign up for it. If you forgot your password, you can click on reset your password to recover your password as well.